Hi guys, welcome back. If you're back, welcome. If you are new, take a second to look around and read the description box. It probably will answer any and all questions that you have. If not, feel free to leave a comment. This is going to be a medicine wheel spread. It is going to be a general about your mind, your body, your spirit / intuition, and your emotions. So this is going to be for the Earth Collective of Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. So if you have those predominantly in your chart, it doesn't have to be your sun, moon, or rising. It could be anywhere predominantly in your chart. Alright, first card out was our signifier. Theme of the reading is the King of Cups, emotions, tapping into your more emotionally stable, emotionally nurturing, giving, loving, fatherly side. Earth is naturally a masculine element. Water is more feminine, so maybe it's stepping into your, it's hard to explain, your feminine, masculine, because fathers are fathers, right? Kings are fathers. It's masculine energy, but the cups aspect of it is water and emotion and emotionally stable. He's evolved. He is healed. He has healed himself and typically those around him. He's a man of the arts. And again, he being the energy, masculine energy. It does not have to be male genitals. All right. We'll start with our mind. What is in the Earth Collective's mind right now? What is in the mind right now? We are in Sagittarius season right now. It is fire. It's a good time to tap into and rediscover your passions, your artistic, creative side, your, more passionate, loving, sacral energy. It's a good time to heal your sacral, however you say it, chakra. It's the base, your womb area. Colors red, fire colors orange, yellow, red, blue. Well, depending how you see fire. Okay. In your mind, Six of Cups. That's your family. That's childhood memories. It's fond childhood memories. It's those closest to you. It's familial. It's homey and welcoming and loving and kind and unconditional. All right. That's what's in your mind right now. That's a good thing with the holidays coming up. That makes sense. I mean, we're all thinking about our families a lot. Maybe we don't have to, but maybe we get to be around them and get to come together after maybe some time apart with the current health situation. All right, we're going to move into emotions. Emotions. For the Earth Collective, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, this weekend. This is a weekend update. This is for December 4th through the 6th. Alright, well, we got two. So this was, what did I say, emotion? And then the last one, this is spirit and intuition, and then the last one is body. So let's see what we get for body. Hopefully something positive. And Sun card, vital, vitality. Alright, for your emotions, we got the Ace of Swords. This is a good idea, a striking idea. This is an aha moment, a light bulb moment. But as far as emotions, the swords are the least emotional. They are the most sharp and cutting, and they're all about logic and what is logical and methodical and not what's emotional. So when it comes up in your emotion position, You could be feeling a little bit cold and a little bit air-esque, aloof. But the dominant of these two, because this is your polarity, right? This is your mind and your emotions. So in your mind, you're in a really good mental, so this is the positive pole. You're in a really good mental space. Oh, and then the Ace of Wands for your body. This is fire. This is vitality, like I was saying. So you're opposite of that. Your spirit intuition, it might feel a little bit off. You might feel like you can't trust it. You could be second-guessing yourself and your intuition, or going in the opposite direction of your intuition for whatever reason. This is a card of loneliness and, sorry, not necessarily loneliness, but aloneness, stillness, mindfulness. You could need to tune in, tap in to source. Still your mind, still your body, still your life for a little bit. Maybe go on a retreat. Maybe go on a retreat with your closest friends. You could be one of 6 children. Maybe you need to go on a retreat with your siblings or have some stillness or, just mindfulness. Yoga class. And in your body, I talked about this a little bit. Ace of Wands, this is vitality and the new striking, letting your light shine. You could feel more comfortable in your skin than you've ever felt in your life, which is incredible. Getting a handle on your spirit will give you a handle on your body as well. You look really good right now. You feel really good. You feel really healthy and strong and able-bodied. You're a sturdy, hardworking type. You're very grounded. Keep going the way that you're going. You're doing an excellent job. You really are. I would say tap more into your emotions a little bit and be a little bit more still. And follow your passions and heal your sacral. Alright guys, that is your weekend update, and I will see you next time. Bye.